Welcome to how to access the internet using USB 4G LTE on your computer. This is the device I use. Signal lights. Default information printed on the device. Wireless name and password. IP. Login password. SIM card slot. Insert the SIM card in the right direction. Connect the device to the computer via USB. You wait until the signal lights as above. On your computer appears a new wired connection. You just open a browser to check the result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I log into the device to learn more advanced features. The device can also be used as a wireless access point, sharing the internet connection to computers or phones via Wi-Fi.